Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. All right, so in this video I want to quickly show you on how I made $117 using YouTube traffic source. Okay, so you can actually use YouTube traffic source to drive traffic to any affiliate offer that you have. All right, it is easy because for now YouTube short is not a video that you can use to monetize your channel, but you can use it to drive a lot of traffics. Okay, if you understand how to do it, it is for you to just upload a video in your own niche. Okay, it is just the video will just be less than 15 seconds, or it can be within 1 second to 60 seconds. That is short video. But what I normally do is my own video is just a video of 1 to 10 or 15 seconds to just promote my affiliate offer, and I made this amount of money right here. Okay, so if I refresh the screen right now for you to know that this money is real, you can actually see this is $117 using my smartphone. Okay, so let me show you the YouTube channel that I actually use to do this. All right, so let's go in right now. Okay, so if you can actually see, this is my own YouTube channel. All right, so let me go back for you to see the analytics. Right, so your is just for you to put the video shots. All right, just upload it and traffic will be coming. Traffic will be coming from a lot of source. All right, so let's go in right now. Let me show you. If you can actually see, I just created this YouTube channel just for my affiliate alone. All right, so you can also do this if you want to be using it for your affiliate marketing offer. All right, you can actually see this video got 1,800 views in the last 28 days. All right, you can actually see, but it got only six subscribers. People will be watching and they will be clicking, but they might not even subscribe to the channel. All right, you can actually see it right now. All right, so let's see. This is when this video skyrocket. You can actually see this is just 10 seconds video. If you see on my video right here, this is 15 seconds video, 23 seconds video. This one just got 3 views, this one got 4 views, this one got 41 views, and this one got 1,719 views. All right, okay, so and that is how I made this sale, because I drop a link in the description box of my video, my affiliate offer. Okay, so let me go to that so that you see how I actually did this. All right, once people click on this video right now, all right, so let me locate my link so that you see on how you can actually do it. You only just to create the channel, just add your link to this YouTube. All right, so once people click, all right, it's going to take them to your own affiliate offer. So I still want to show you on how I did this. Okay, I'm coming. All right, you can actually see it right here. So this is my affiliate link right here. So let me copy this so that you can actually see. Let's open this link so that you will see that it will take me to my my page, right? So it's loading right now. So that is how I just dropped the link there. Before you know, I got a lot of clicks and people follow me and purchase product from me. You can actually see download my ultimate affiliate marketing guides. All right, so once they click, so it's going to take them to my landing page. So and once they enter their details here, okay, so let me enter my details and see where it's going to take me to right now. Right, okay, all right, so once you hit on okay, show me right now, so it's going to take me to this very page where it will say congratulations. All right, so once I'm here, the person will just click on get started, and once the person click on get started, it's going to take them to my Warrior Plus offer where I'm promoting a product. Okay, so it's loading. Let's see while it takes us to that area. All right, so it's loading as you can see right now. So it's going to take me to the Warrior Plus area and show the product I'm promoting. All right, it's still loading. The network has an issue. All right, you can actually see this is a high converting sales page. All right, if you can actually see, people come here and when they click on this link, it will take them to Warrior Plus. Once they purchase, I will get my own commission. All right, and this is how you can automate your own. So if they click on get access right now, so let's see, to take them to the Warrior Plus where they can actually purchase. And once they purchase this product, I'll get my own commission. All right, so this is exactly how I promoted this product using YouTube short. All right, so if we get back to the YouTube short right now, you discover that the traffic source, let's go to the analytics and see for this video. All right, okay, let's go back. Right, so let's check the analytic for the video. Now if I check this analytic right now, if I click on audience to see where this traffic is actually coming from, let's see. Where is this traffic coming from? So let's click on it. Right, so I'll click on audience right here. Right, so I will now come here. You can actually see the traffic source. 33% of the traffic source is coming from United States. You can actually see 33%, which means this is the Taiwan country. And once you can be reaching out to these people, before you know, you are going to be making sales. And this is how I made the $117. All right, you can actually see the rest. We have India, we have Russia, United Kingdom, Germany. All right, all these ones are still top tier country that can easily purchase all these products. Okay, all right, so and you can still use this without even using Warrior Plus. You can use it to promote any offer that you can actually promote in any country. Okay, being on seller, if you are in Nigeria, or expert partner, you can promote the products and people will still buy from you. Okay, just make sure when you are filling in the keywords, you narrow it down to Nigerian. All right, so when I was filling the keywords on uploading this video, I brought the keywords to United States and the Taiwan country. Okay, all right, so this is how I did this. And for you to actually see, I can withdraw this money right away. What I will just do here is for me to click on this withdraw right now. Withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, I can type in the $117, 117.31. All right, so if you can actually see, they can pay me to my own PayPal or they can pay to Payoneer accounts. I'm going to select my own Payoneer account. I've selected the Payoneer account right now, so I will click on this withdraw button. All right, so once I click on the withdraw, it's going to ask me, do I want to withdraw it? I'll click on this confirm button here. So once I click on this, you can see your request to withdraw $117.31 to your bank is on its way. All right, so once I close this right now and refresh, you discover that I don't have anything here right now. Okay, so with the strategy, once you are consistent doing it, you see the result. All right, okay, all right, so I remain Abdulwahab. If you find this video valuable, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment in the comment section on anything you actually want me to do, because I don't want this video to be too long. So if I want to be doing the short video right now in this video, it will be too long. So if you still want me to be doing it in a series, so I can do it in a series and upload it to this channel. All right, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first. Make sure you utilize this YouTube short of a thing. It is a traffic source that has a quality traffic. All right, okay, see you in my next video.